Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and today I'm here with another sewing project. As you can see, we have curtain in our front of us, and this project is already done. I was doing this project and I was thinking I should share with my YouTube subscribers as well. So today we're gonna fix the length. These curtains are longer, and I'm gonna show you how easily you can hem any kind of curtain. This project is very easy, and I'm sure if you have a sewing machine, and even you don't have a sewing machine, you still can use a hand blind hem stitch, which I shared recently on my YouTube channel as well. So let's go ahead and start it our today project. So the first thing which you have to do, first check the length of your curtain and check out how much you need to fold it. Sometimes you have to fold, double just to like this length. Sometimes you have to cut it and then fold it. Because I'm doing this project for my client, so she just have needed 2 inches fold, and she don't want I cut her curtain. So simply I could open first, these all stitches, and then cut the fabric and fold it, but she don't want I cut the fabric. So simply we're just gonna fold it easily, and then we're gonna start using pins. It's very simple, but as you can see, the fabric is getting thick. No, it's not like 2 layers. These are 4 layers now we are doing, but I will show you technique how we gonna. And if you have a sewing machine, then you have to make sure you use heavy duty needle. You even can use a leather good kind of needle, so your fabric easily go through that. Well, we're gonna keep using the pins. Okay, as you can see, we have pinned up. Now simply we're gonna iron on top of this edge, and I actually gonna use a steam iron, so in that way those 4 layers can be just pressed. So let's head to our iron stand. And as you can see now, our fabric is full ready to sew. The fabric is very nice and crispy, and that will help to smoothly needle can run over that. So let's head to our sewing machine now. Alright, so things which you need to do before you start sewing with the sewing machine. I'm moving my needle on a side because we are doing a straight stitch, and it's on a straight stitch, and then I'm gonna check the length, so because these are curtains, as you can see, even the previous stitches are wider, the long and wider, so we're gonna increase our stitch length from 3 times. Okay, so then that will help us to our needle can easily move. So let's go ahead and start it sewing. All right, we're gonna start with the slow. keep pressing your fabric. See that how crispy it's turned out. Now simply we're just gonna iron again on our stitches, so in that way our fabric can more pressed. And if you notice, I have so not on a top of edge, I have a left little bit, because that always make your stitches more secure and it's look more nice, you know, when you fold it. So I hope you like our today project. If you really do, please give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations, and I wish you all very blessed season and blessed day. God bless you all. Bye bye.